Hello, my name's Matthew from the southeast of the United Kingdom, and this is my final CS50 Python project. Let's open the project now and show the project off to you. Here's the first menu. It's a logging menu to either add a user or to log in. Let's add a user. So we're going to add in a user. This is checked using regular expressions. So I'm just going to type in a name and then add some numbers in. We need to have a capital and some numbers. Then I'm going to enter in a number and also a password here. Then press right to return. I've got to remember my login details now, which are saved to a CSV file. Obviously, it's not safe probably in the real world, but just for this project, I used a CSV file just because I wanted to show off my writing and reading from CSV files. Then the main menu comes up. We've got today's date, the 6th of December 2022, using the datetime module. If I select one to get a genre, it returns something from a list using the random module. So I get historical, then I enter in number two and number three, where I can create a story and create a character, use object-oriented programming. All of these are objects and methods that I have created. Basically, if I enter in the details, it will just print it back to the screen to me. So if it's a historical one, I can say maybe in the 1800s. The plot is, I don't know, this story talks about Harvard 1800s. It's just a simple, just for demonstration. Sorry, David, I spelled your name wrong. And then that is entered in there. I press number 3 next, and this creates characters. Maybe I want 2 characters. Using a for loop, it will come out. I just type in the names David, age, I don't know, your age 40, looks, black hair, clothing, black t-shirt. Sounds about right? Backstory, doesn't matter. And then the same happens again, okay, for the second character. Then if I press number 4, it exits the program using calsay. And thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed my Python project. Thank you so much, CS50. I've learned a lot from you, so thanks a lot.